driving in the Scion. We got J1 in front of us. We got D and Damien. We are currently headed to the store because we gotta get something for our dog. Stay tuned and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Remember to hit the bell icon because it does mean a lot. And let's get right into the video. It's been a while since we did car content. Expect more car content to be on the way. Right now we are currently headed to AutoZone and I don't know where John is. Not much going on, but remember to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.